I tested both tools for 30 days. One made me money, one wasted my time. Hey everyone, I'm Alexandra, and before we dive into this VidIQ versus Keywords Everywhere showdown, make sure to click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount that'll save you some serious cash. Trust me, you'll want this deal after hearing what I discovered. So here's the deal. I put both tools through their paces for a full month, and wow, the differences were eye-opening. Keywords Everywhere. It's basically a glorified browser extension that shows you search volumes. Sure, it works across multiple platforms, but for YouTube creators like us, it's like bringing a butter knife to a sword fight. VidIQ, on the other hand, is like having a YouTube growth team in your back pocket. We're talking AI-powered video ideas that actually work, competitor analysis that reveals exactly what's crushing it in your niche, and a thumbnail maker that doesn't make your videos look like they were designed in 2005. Here's where it gets interesting. Keywords Everywhere uses this weird credit system that had me constantly worried about running out of searches. Meanwhile, VidIQ's Pro plan at $7.50 a month gave me unlimited keyword research. And when I say unlimited, I mean I went absolutely crazy with it. The real kicker? VidIQ's channel audit feature found optimization opportunities I never knew existed. My click-through rates jumped 23% in the first 2 weeks alone. Keywords Everywhere just showed me numbers. That's it. Look, if you're serious about YouTube growth, this isn't even a fair fight. Don't forget to grab that special offer in the description. Your future self will thank you for making the smart choice today.